Hey guys, me and Alex are back with our 5th episode of WTF.
And if you haven't seen any of the other episodes, you should
Check them out.
because the score is 3-1. I'm winning.
We have some blindfolds. Hello, Kate and Alex. First of all, we'd like to congratulate Alex for winning last week's WTF baby food challenge. We're sorry we had to put you guys through that. Actually, some of it was
actually
okay.
really good, yeah.
They said, but it was hilarious.
This week promises to be a lot more delicious as you take part in the WTF Fast Food Challenge. You will both be blindfolded for this challenge, and in front of you there will be 5 plates of chips from different restaurants and fast food places.
The challenge is simple. Guess where the chips come from. But remember, try not to give too much away as you will both be tasting them at the same time.
After you have both tried all of the options, you will then be allowed to take off your blindfolds and write your answers down on the paper provided.
A point will be given for correctly guessing the location of each of the chips. You know the score, the most points wins. If the scores do end up tied, there is no tiebreaker this week, so the spoils are shared with half a point each.
Let the mind games begin. Good luck,
the WTF team. We call them chips in the UK.
Yeah.
If you're from America and you're wondering what chips are, they are fries.
French
fries.
Yeah, and I haven't had any in a while.
I've only had McDonald's.
The last time I had some were McDonald's probably.
I'm excited, I'm hungry.
Yeah. So we've got our fries, we've got our
yeah.
blindfolds on. Let's get testing.
Let's go. Bowl number 1. Salty, aren't they?
I just had a really great thought.
What?
No, can't say anything, otherwise I'll give it away.
Delicious. Do you think you had them?
I think so.
I
might
think
be
so,
wrong,
but I
though.
might be wrong.
Next one.
Next one. Here. A lot thicker. God, the first ones are so salty compared to these.
That's interesting.
I think I know.
I think I do, but like I said, it's been so long since I've had. Right, 3. Have you already picked them up?
I think I'll be in the middle here.
Yeah, this one. Right. This is a great challenge.
I know. This is the only reason why
I just had a bit of ketchup.
That would be amazing. Oh, but just think after this. Okay, I know what they are.
I think so too. In the middle here, Kate?
My stomach's gonna fill. Oh wow.
These have got great flavour. I don't think I've ever had these before.
Never.
If I have, maybe I'm... They've got
Almost
great
like
flavour to them. haven't they?
Indian-y.
The last ones. That's quite interesting.
Otherwise they would have been disgusting. Oh, I'm really confused with these ones now.
Where's one?
That's what I'm confused with. Number 1 are incredible.
Yeah.
Those 4th ones are really throwing me off. Look. Have I just dribbled? I think I've just dribbled.
Really?
Take them away,
Take 'em away.
connoisseur.
I think I know, but it's amazing.
taking your
I've
blindfold
taken my blindfold off. I think I know, but it's amazing once you're blindfolded how something feels different.
Yeah.
So I think I've got quite a good grasp on what they are,
Okay.
but I could be totally wrong.
I probably just ate so ugly just then. I was
So did
enjoying that. I was so crunched. Okay, number 1. Say
Yeah.
after 3.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Burger King.
McDonald's. Oh!
That's what I thought until I tried the last one, and then I was like, is that? But then maybe I'm wrong, okay? So should we have a look at
Yeah.
what chips number 1 were?
They look like McDonald's.
They do look like McDonald's. They were McDonald's.
I know my chips. Oh no, I shouldn't speak too soon actually because you got 4
So
more.
what was the last one? Because I thought the last ones felt in my mouth.
It'd
like-
be interesting to think what you put as the
Yeah.
last one.
So number 2 in 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
KFC. These
Now
look,
these
these
kind
look
of
fatter than I remember KFC being.
much fatter.
But they had the right taste, I thought. Should we
I
spin them?
think so, yeah, okay.
What the
I was going to say
Nando's.
Nando's! I was going to say Nando's!
See, that's what I was saying about restaurants though. I didn't think it was...
Well, that's the one shop I was like, Nando's, you can get chips.
Okay.
They look like Nando's. I was literally about to say they look like Nando's. Okay. I don't know if I am clued up at all on this or if this
You
is
ready?
even an option.
Yeah.
Number 3.
2, 1.
Fish and chip shop.
And what
They
are these?
look like fish and
They
chip.
look like fish and chip shop. I wonder what will be on the back though. Will it just be a piece of newspaper?
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Nothing.
Should have done a piece of newspaper.
Fish and chips.
So I got 1 point, but so did you. Fish and chip shop chips are probably better than all of the rest.
I think they were one of my favourites.
What do you think?
Okay, number 4.
What do you reckon?
I went a bit risky on this one.
Okay. 3,
2,
1. Taco
Roosters
Bell.
Peri Peri.
Should we see what these are? Taco
Taco
Bell! Yes!
Well done, Al.
I've never had Taco Bell chips,
And look, they're actually coloured.
but I just knew that they had to spice them.
I just thought Roosters Peri Peri was it. Okay, and last one. Now
Last one.
we're 2 all, aren't we?
Yeah.
So this literally.
But the thing is, I can't win a point on this one
Oh yeah.
because I thought these were Mackie D's.
Oh yes.
So,
So
3, 2, 1.
hopefully-
You tell me what you think.
3, 2, 1. Burger King.
Let's pull in the final one. They do.
They don't look like Burger.
Look, they don't look. What? That's
They look
McDonald's.
so the same. Yeah, they're definitely McDonald's.
Maybe these are Burger King. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
What the
KFC! They've gone so thin. Back in my day when I used to go to KFC, they were double the size.
Do you know what I've noticed?
That's why
that-
we thought they were Nando's KFC.
Yeah, because they're like thick and pillowy inside. So, I got fish and chip shop, so did you.
So did I. I got McDonald's.
Yeah, and I got Taco Bell. So that's 2-2. So,
So that
We're
means
both
we're both getting
equally
half
good.
a point.
So we'll get half a point. That means I'm 3.5 points to 1.5.
And do you know what? It's probably actually really good that we don't know our fast food chips.
Yeah, I think
Let's
that's good.
have a positive thought about that. I really enjoyed that. Did you enjoy
Yeah,
it?
I really enjoyed that. It's been a while, like I said, since I've had these fries, but actually they're good, aren't they?
Yeah, especially the fish and
Super
chip
salty though.
This would be an awesome game to play with your friends, so join in, let us know how you did in the comments box below.
And also let us know what are your favourite fast food
Yes,
fries.
let us
We'd love to
know.
know.
We'll see you soon. Bye guys.
See ya.
I know.
Yeah.